You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, this place, this city, otherwise known as Monaco. So how do you pronounce it? Well, the French pronunciation, French is the official language there, is Monte Carlo. Monte Carlo. Okay, so if you hear people say it as Monte Carlo, then that's not an incorrect pronunciation. However, in English, it's accepted. The English pronunciation, let's call it, is Monte Carlo. Okay, so Monte Carlo is correct, while Monte Carlo is also correct. You know, it comes from Monte, which means the amount or a mountain. So Monte Carlo, English pronunciation, or Monte Carlo, French pronunciation. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.